अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 5 from Madani Qaida, Tanween. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. What is tanween? Two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called tanween. A letter which has tanween on it is called munawwan. In fact, tanween is a noon sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why tanween sounds like a noon sakin. For example, Hamza to zabar an, Hamza to zer in, Hamza to pesh un. How do we spell tanween? Spell out the examples of tanween as follows. Meem to zabar man, Meem to zer min, Meem to pesh mun, man, min, mun. Sometimes alif or ya is shown after two zabar. We do not pronounce it during spelling. Let's see the example of tanween. Ta do zabar tan, ta do zer tin, ta do pesh tun, tan tin tun, ta tu zabar tan, ta tu zer tin, ta tu pesh tun, tan tin tun. This is the example of tanween. Inshallah, in coming videos we will learn more example of tanween. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.